Hey everybody, just thought I'd give you a little sunset action. This video was taken during Barrett-Jackson, and there's a lot of stuff in there that I wanted to crop and just kind of show a little bit of. And one of the things, if you saw the last Barrett-Jackson, I kept it really kind of cars and stuff. But they also had all these like tiny homes and campers, so I did some tours. Here they are. Thank you for watching the video. Nice.
Yes. Nice.
Adorable little place, huh?
It is.
The induction cooktops and stuff.
And one of our new ones here.
What's that?
I said one of our new ones we just opened too.
Oh, is it?
Yes, it is.
Nice.
Of course. So
Full-size fridge?
Yes, it is. Full size. You can open stuff if you want to. And then, of course, there's other stuff in there. We have that, of course. It's like a regular deep freezer.
Oh, sweet.
And of course, out down there we have our private bedroom, which is the queen size bed, and it comes furnished too. You buy the whole thing, or you're renting out for a few days.
Oh, nice.
Of course, you have the private bathroom.
Great little bathroom.
You see out here, our private bathroom, of course, and then you have your two twins up here. If you do walk up there, just wash your head.
Yeah, right. Headache. It's pretty cute, huh? Feels spacious because of the high ceilings.
I love it. I love it a lot.
Got a little closet here. Whoa. Closet here. Smoke detector batteries going off.
No. No. Just be careful when you go up.
You hear it chirping?
Yeah. Don't trip.
Why are you tripping? Claustrophobic? Yeah, closet over there. Oh, my back's out and I can't do this. Sorry, guys. It's a bent over space only. Oh, God. You can see the deck over there.
Good to go in and enter.
Nice living area.
Right.
How you doing?
Ah, not bad.
Pretty cool little setup, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah.
Patio and an upper patio. Sweet. This is a cool one. This is the Airstream base camp. These are supposedly pretty light. Here's some info here. And then this is their other one. Airstream. Off-road Goodyear tires and wheels. Off-road wheels. Look at this. This is pretty sweet. Got the little horseshoe dinette, fridge, cabinets. Little induction cooktop. Speakers for sound. Stereo. Little catch-all there. I'm guessing both the front and the rear can be turned into beds. Vanna White style. So you got two open doors that makes it feel pretty open, and then these windows make it feel really open as well. Lots of cupboards. More catch-all. Bathroom. Sweet. Max Air fans up there. Wet bath. We got some more storage here. Rooftop AC. Looks like some Max Air fans up there. Yeah, this thing's cool. Take a look at the rest of the outside. There's a bigger one there. I'm gonna go inside this other one. This is cool. Look how big this door opens up. This one is called the Trade Wind. Looks like you got some open storage over here. We got windows. And a battery disc. Oh, nice. Bug screen.
Look at that.
Brilliant.
Fucking A.
That's what I'm screaming. This thing is massive in here. This thing is way bigger than that base camp. Housekeeping. Storage here. This is one of those. Oh, okay, so this is a shower. I got there's a shower light. That's what I was looking for. So it's got a dry bath because there's a toilet over here, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's pretty roomy too. Got the fan up top, window for when you're bombing the place. Queen size bed, plenty of headroom. Look at this. It's pretty good. Yeah, this thing's sweet too. What do you think, man?
It's a ton cheaper than they used to be.
I know, right? It's beautiful though, huh? Like it seems like it's made really well too.
For $150,000, used RVs are a lot better buy at the moment.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, these drop like a rock.
Yeah. Have a good one, man.
We got a little video.
What's that?
Little video.
Yeah, yeah.
So where does that? You got a little. Look at that. That's sick, man. Oh no.
Now it's gonna do facial tracking on you. So no matter how I shift it or where you move, it's gonna get you.
Really?
Technology, man.
Crazy.
Technology,
That's crazy.
you bastard.
I know, right? That's a cool little thing. How long
Thank
does
you,
that thing
thank you.
work on the battery?
Pretty long.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what the constant runtime is, but I usually can get through a whole day doing rig tours
Turn
or
it on
filming.
and
Yeah.
off and all that
Yep,
shit.
exactly.
That's cool. Awesome.
Yeah, man.
Enjoy.
Have a
Get
good one.
footage of our stuff.
Oh yeah, it'll be on my YouTube channel, Happy's Trails.
What's it called?
Happy's Trails.
Happy's Trails. All right.
Yeah.
Well, we are Airstream is the name of our company. We're a dealership down in Chandler, Arizona.
Oh, everybody knows Airstream, man.
Yeah, I mean, they're not,
Been around forever, and
I know.
everybody loves them.
I know.
And they're never cheap, but they're worth it.
Generally, the shit that is worth it ain't cheap.
Buy once, cry once.
Yep.
This model right here. What? Holy smokes. This thing is amazing. This one is called the Classic. I believe it's 30-footer. Looks like you got gas appliances. Look at that couch though. It's got recliners in it. We've got tons of cabinetry. Pantry spaces, closet. Separating an entire door to separate the whole place if you want to. Which is the toilet, I believe. And I am correct. Dope. Queen size bed. Please stay off bed. Did you ever tell me how to live my life? Shower. Oh yeah. This thing's beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Those are recliners too, electric recliners.
Really?
Yeah. Have a good one. Man, that thing is so cool. Globetrotters, range lines. Oh yeah. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. There's a couple more from Barrett-Jackson that we're gonna put, like the drifting in those cars and stuff. So stay tuned for those, and thank you guys for watching. I love you guys.